And while those wins may have been her first, she knows they meant even more to her teammates who have waited much longer. Kaya naman in a first set like this, it's not just about rhythm, it's about intent from the get-go.
Ivy Perez, Fenemnas and Ivy are the ones alternating setting here for Galleries without Juju. Good block, good coverage.
Tight set.
Very close, yes, you're right. From behind, easy pickings for Almonte. Jove making the adjustment this time in terms of that wrist action, partner.
Dahil kanina medyo parang pinipilit niyang padaanin sa taas ng blockers, but this time...
Back set. Another one from Jove. She's totally made that adjustment on her swing.
And hindi na niya iniiwas sa blockers eh. Pinapatama na lang niya yung ball. Pag doon galing yung receive, nahihirapan din for the setter to see the ball kung saan dadaan.
Wow, Fernandez has really come alive here after she got called out by Coach Ettore. And that's how you respond. You don't put your head down, hindi ka magbukbok na, you get singled out.
Today, as we all saw that they have a special guest in attendance, Mr. Donnie Pangilinan, present to support the heart of volleyball and agreeing to the little request of next set's May Luna.
And the first set was kind of indicative of how they've been here in the PVL. Good dig, solid, keep the ball in play. The lead is 10, it's back to next sled. It's a good set there. Nakahila ng blocker.
Oo. Well, yan din yung importante na yung mga middle attackers, hindi sila madalas nabibigyan ng bola.
She has 8 points for herself. Assist leads Galleries with 8. Easy over.
Oh, we'll get the second ball.
Oh, nobody getting the second ball. Nandun sa likod si Ivy. Play volleyball. You think that doesn't matter. It matters, especially to the one approaching. At nakikita niya yung habol na yun. Parang, they have the lead though. 18 serving 17. Andal receiving. But it is misreceived. Pacres, who came in, sends it over. Here comes that attack on the other side. Ho-ho! Jove Fernandez unloads.
Well, definitely. Ang ganda na ng adjustments dito ni Jove.
What a response for her after being called out, huh?
Yun yung importante eh. Kung paano ka makakabawi. 4-point advantage here for the latter part of the second set.
Dim again. Off speed this time.
Oh, nice stretch.
Oh, nobody taking it to Gallery side. And good first ball.
Oh,
they
what
flip
a reverse.
flip it to the other side. Ang ganda nung pitik, Paneng.
Grabe yun. But good first ball from Kiara.
Binawian. 13 points by Jove. Ikaw na nga nakascore, ikaw pa nabato ka na. No? Yan. Shaky on that receive. Chance ball here at set point. Match point. Fernandez gives next sled their third straight win. And they're still undefeated in the PVL on tour.
This is the first game na nagkaroon ng straight set win ang next leg for this conference.
Point of the set.